a student, and on Monday evening, the other 2 people were injured after suspicious carbon monoxide poisoning at the Evergreen State College. This is a tragedy and we are upset about our students and families, John said. Evergreen President John Carmichael, after a student residence manager could not communicate with several students, the campus police were called. Severgreen police officer broke their doors at 20:30. The alarms took a few minutes. The police came. Then the fire department appeared, he said. 2 students and the responding civil servant was taken to local hospitals. According to Evergreen Police Chief David Brunckhurst, the officer was hospitalized, but was released on Tuesday morning. Washington State Patrol is now trying to identify the source of toxic smoke. Washington State Patrol is looking at it. This will be the focus of our investigation, he said. WSP spokesman Chris Loftis. Pennington said that the alarms are frequently triggered in speculation on a possible source. The McLen Black Lake firefighter also responded to the scene and carried out carbon monoxide tests in the affected areas. Campus officials contacted all the LEAF students in nearby campus houses to ensure that they are safe on Monday night. This is a destructive news because students' safety care is biggest priority, said Dexter Gordon. We are upset with families, especially mourning family. And then all of students were impressed. Then first intervention. WSP said there was no symptom of foul at this point.